Good afternoon and welcome back. Yeah, some people said that. So this is the last session of the day, and whether we like it or not, every day there is a last session. And we are expecting some more people to come in. So what we do is, I will quickly introduce you today's last session agenda. We have to finish around 6:45 because we have the awards function at 7 o'clock. And we have 5 speakers, very divergent speakers, divergent topics. The speakers are Pratibha Pai, she will speak on diversity. Then we have Bartanu Das, he will speak on building a leadership pipeline. Then Purushottam Salwani, he will talk about the background checks. Then comes Vishak Kelkar on this mobile HCM, Get Set Go. And finally, a young entrepreneur, Anant Sri Chaturvedi, he will speak about the main theme, the Gen Next. Before I call Pratibha Pai to make her presentation, the rules of the game are, I have requested all the speakers to complete the session in 30 minutes. When I say complete the session means their presentation and Q&A. So this way will take 2.5 hours for the 5 speakers. And my request to the audience is, you have your questions ready. If you are thinking of a question, start writing the question. Then if you read it, it will be shorter. Start writing the question that you want to ask. When you ask the question, quickly introduce yourself, your organization, and straight away come to the question. Don't have to comment about the session, don't have to compliment the speaker. Straight away you can ask the question so that you can have more questions. So my KRA is, every speaker should finish in 20-25 minutes, and you should be able to take 3 questions. Only problem is, if as a chairperson I start come and speak in between all the sessions, that is going to be extra time, which I will avoid, because my job is to get the best out of the speakers. The first speaker is Pratibha Pai. So you have got the speaker profile. I'm not going to read it out. Whatever has occurred, hit my attention is, she had earlier worked in 2 big organizations, Deloitte and Bosch. Currently with a company called Medtronic. She is the talent acquisition specialist. She is an author. She is a philanthropist, works on social responsibility. And she was also part of the Abdul Kalam initiative, Lead India 2020 as a mentor. And her subject is diversity, the visible and invisible. She is going to make a presentation. So just not the presentation, that is the visible. You have to also concentrate on what is the invisible. When he speaks, try to get those points, get those things which are between the lines, because the subject is diversity, visible and invisible. So her presentation will start with PowerPoint, her lecture, and a few between the presentation and her lecture. I call it the between the 2 presentations. One is the visual presentation, the other is the oral presentation. You have to pick up a few things in between. Over to Pratibha for your 30 minutes, your presentation, your discourse, your question answers will finish in 30 minutes. This way we'll end today's last session by 6:45. Over to Pratibha.